guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. Today, as the title says, I'm gonna talk about stuff that I got from TJMAXX. I love to avail deals, especially when they are really priced low. I really feel good because the same product, when you get, for example, at $50, but in deal, if you get that for $10, then why not? I will be showing the formal outfits, mostly the tops, and those are formal in the sense I wear them in my daily, work from home situation because, as I always share in my stories, that it's pajama in the bottom and formal at the top. So that's why I love wearing such formal tops. And also I got some makeup as always, and they were priced so low. I was like, this is it. So without talking much, let's get started with what I got, and I hope you all like watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Mermaid Bidisha to watch more of such content.
I got no rival, I'ma find my